Oh, holy smokes. We're supposed to do the same as the last one, but we got to get this one all in a single logarithm when we're done. And probably like the last one, if it can, simplify parts. So again, remember what we did on what you do first. This coefficient goes up here as an exponent. Same with this one on the d, and the same with this one up here on the y. So after I do that, I'd have log base 4 of 5 to the 4th. We can simplify that. I think that's 25 times 25, which is 625. And then the next one here, log base 4 of d, and this 2 comes up into the exponent. And this last one here, the log base 4 of y, and that 3 comes up here as an exponent. So then remember what I said here, 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. I happen to remember that 25 times 25 is 625. If you don't know that, you can use a calculator. That's perfectly fine. So I've got log base 4 of 625. And then I've got this log base 4 of the d squared still. And if you don't write this, all the rest of this down and just go to the next step, I would recommend that to save time. These problems always want you to be working efficiently. So when you get to those high stakes tests, like this isn't quite done, we still have to go, but those high stakes tests like ACT, where you can earn lots of money by being fast in scholarships. But see how these are all base 4 now? Separated with these pluses. So now we can put those all together as one log, still base 4, but that's a product. So the 625 times this d squared, and obviously you don't have to write that times symbol if you don't want to multiplication, and then times the y cubed. But that whole thing right there, single logarithm, simplified. And again, I think you guys can try it and see, but otherwise use their keyboard to put in the log base 4. Most places, if you use an underscore right here, that'll do log base 4 of whatever you type after it, like in parentheses. And so that's it for 6.5.22.